Make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you're trying to find the fuse for the trunk on Dodge Challenger. If the trunk doesn't open, you're trying to find that fuse. We'll talk about that. We'll talk why it's important to test fuses and what else you need to do in some cases after replacing the fuse so your trunk can open again. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So before we continue, guys, most people, what they will do, this is a 2018 Challenger, they will open the hood and they will try to look for that fuse, guys, in the fuse box, okay, right here. But it's not there, guys, it's somewhere else. We need to go towards the back of that Dodge Challenger. We need to go towards the trunk. If you do not know how to open a trunk that's stuck close, we have a video that will teach you all about that. Check it out. We'll need to open the trunk. In our case, we fixed it, but let's show you which fuse it is. You need to remove, okay, that cover for the spare tire, and you get to the spare tire, the car battery. Now, before we continue, let me tell you guys, on these modern cars, it's really important in some cases to disconnect the car battery before removing fuses and relays. Also, if you disconnect the wrong battery terminal first, that can cause damage to modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. We've done that mistake, it cost us $2,000. Do not do it, guys. Now, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out. Then we'll come to that fuse box right here. You need to press there, pull up, flip the fuse box cover, and here, guys, you have fuses. Common mistake we see, people do not test fuses, guys. They will look through the window or through the fuse and try to see if it's burned. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if it's a good or bad fuse. Sometimes you may think it's perfectly fine fuse, but it's bad. And if you put it in and you start spending money for other parts and your time to fix that problem, guys, when all you have to do is test the fuse and replace it, it's just not worth it. So we'll put a video to a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check it out. Now, if you come right here, what do you have? You're going to have fuse, guys, starting from the left side. Even if you have a missing one, you still count it. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fuse from left to right, but it's known as fuse number F7. So we'll go ahead and remove it, okay, that fuse. Now, if you need to get replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If your trunk still doesn't open or close after the fuse replacement, guys, we have a special video that explains why trunk doesn't open, and also in some cases, if there was something bad, fuse was burned or something was shorted out, your body control module, that's a computer for the body of your Dodge Challenger, may deactivate that function. You need a scanner like the Maxicom, guys, MK808, that's an amazing scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to find more about it, how much it is and functions, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, guys. So you can access every computer system, reset the codes, that should fix it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.